Good morning, everyone. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Today, we're taking a flight to Medellin, Colombia, but before we head out, we're gonna have breakfast here. Wait, only coffee? I'm just kidding. My friend has access to multiple lounges, so we're taking advantage of it today. Oh no. Yeah, we can wrap those. They look good. Oh, this is like pizza?
Oh, wait. It's a drink.
I am excited to visit Medellin, but for some reason, leaving Bogotá makes me feel nostalgic. We will be in Medellin for about 3 days, and after that, we will take another flight and visit Cartagena. We have just arrived to Medellin, but to get to the main city, we still need to take an Uber for about like 45 minutes. It looks like it's a foggy day, so we cannot really see anything around us. This makes me a little bit concerned because we're also planning to do paragliding. Actually, false alarm. It looks like the fog was mostly at the top but not at the bottom of the sea.
Sí, gracias. Tiene sentido. Maybe they're here?
This is the place where we're gonna be staying for the next 3 days, and as you can see, it's pretty spacious, which is actually perfect for about 5 people. I'm also surprised that they have laundry. We are now at the San Javier metro station after checking into our Airbnb. We came to this metro station because in this area you can take a free tour to learn more about La Comuna 13. For those not familiar with La Comuna 13, this place now is an example of change and transformation from being a place with high crime, gangs, narcos, to being a place full of art, graffiti, and music.
Here in the side or behind.
Ok. Llega. Por acá. Eso, levanten la mano los de Puerto Rico. Can I listen to me? Is it tomorrow? The people that speak English? Yeah? Yeah. So, next to the artist is that this place is going to become tourist. and they are the Pavilion Light and they have a show for you. But at the shows in the Comuna, depends on the energy. A ver the energy, a ver the show. They have a dynamic to start with the energy. They are going to say to you, buenos dias, and you have to say buenos dias back. That is good morning. So, like in Duolingo, the same. You say back. It's
I'm having so much fun. Everyone here is so talented.
Marcelo de Serenata la Tóxica. ¿De dónde nos visita?
Okay, that was amazing. Now we're gonna continue exploring this area. The more that we continue going up, the better the views. According to our tour guide, the graffitis on the walls represents or tells the story of this neighborhood. Right from the beginning, I noticed that they had tajin, so I cannot resist getting some mango with tajin.
I've never seen it come like this. Good size.
Oh no, it looks like the famous stairs are not working. According to our tour guide, before they built the stairs, people had to walk all the way up these hills to get to their houses. I cannot imagine walking every single day. And I'm saying this because I just took the stairs and I walk a little bit and I'm already tired.
Desde las playas de Cartagena hasta lo alto de los Andes, la selva amazónica canta y la ciudad baila. Los campos de café verdes y extensos, y Medellín vibrante con su energía intensa.
We asked how much it costs to take a picture with the statues, and it was just a lot.
Es un tesoro profundo, desde las tierras cálidas hasta la frescura de las montañas. De Bogotá a las islas de San Andrés.
The view is amazing up
Eres
here.
un poema de vida, un sueño de verdades. Colombia, donde la naturaleza y la cultura brillan. Tu ritmo ritmos y colores son una fiesta continua. Desde los ritmos de la cumbia hasta las bellezas del Caribe. Eres un paraíso, un lugar para sentirse libre.
Today, another friend is gonna be joining us on our trip, but before we meet her, we will have a debrief about our tour. It was amazing to learn about the history of Comuna 13 and how much they have evolved. Right now, we're gonna head to lunch because we're starving.
Yes, I just want to take a video. It looks really good. Okay.